Getting approved by Affirm in 2025 requires a thorough understanding of their approval process and the factors that influence their decision. Affirm is a financial technology company that provides consumer financing options for online purchases. To increase your chances of getting approved, follow these steps. First, check your credit score as it plays a significant role in Affirm's approval process. A good credit score demonstrates your creditworthiness and ability to repay loans. You can check your credit score for free on various websites and aim for a score of 650 or higher. Next, review your credit history to ensure it is accurate and up to date. Any errors or negative marks can negatively impact your approval chances. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus and dispute any errors you find. Then, ensure you have a stable income and employment history. Affirm considers your income and employment status when evaluating your application. A stable income and employment history demonstrate your ability to repay loans, increasing your approval chances. When applying for Affirm financing, choose a loan term and amount that fits your budget. Avoid applying for more credit than you need, as this can negatively impact your approval chances. Instead, opt for a loan term and amount that aligns with your financial situation and repayment capabilities. Additionally, avoid applying for multiple loans or credit cards in a short period, as this can raise concerns about your creditworthiness. Space out your credit applications to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Finally, carefully review and understand the terms and conditions of your loan before accepting it. Ensure you understand the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with the loan. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can increase your chances of getting approved by Affirm in 2025.